Oh, he's got stuck underneath this one, but has he found the fielder? Just over him. He was readying himself for a catch. Mustafa thought he had his man. Karim Jannat would have had his heart in the mouth, but in the process they fetch a six.
And again, this is better. This has been picked up and deposited outside the ground for a six.
That's a very poor delivery by Rohan Mustafa.
Family and your family is behind there as well. Would you wave at them and tell them to cheer a little bit from here so that we can have a good time? There you go. It's a boundary. In fact, it's gone all the way for 4 runs.
Picked up beautifully, hit high, handsome, into the crowd. 6 more.
Bit like that. That was a slower ball, a little bit too full. However, I like the fact that he's prepared to try it. As Karim moves on to a brilliant 50 runs, much to the delight of the Afghanistani fans.
Top innings for Karim Jannat. Came into a very tricky situation.